and we're the Vegan Voyagers, and today we are in Atlanta and we're doing a vegan food tour.
Our first stop is Revolution Donuts, where we are suckers for good vegan donuts, so we're hoping that all of the different offerings that they have are incredible.
They got a fritter, I'm gonna get a fritter. And what do you like?
I would hope that they have a Bavarian cream, but really anything chocolate is really good for me.
All right, let's go check it out. It's our very first stop. We got a bunch of stuff today. We're so excited. Just kidding.
I gotta remember that this is a marathon and not a sprint. I could have easily just hammered down 3-4 donuts without a problem.
But we took a bite of like each one of them. I think my favorite was the blueberry.
I was really actually kind of surprised at the vanilla. It was, it was a nice sweet version of the traditional glazed, which I'm not a huge fan of the glazed normal donuts, but this one was really good.
Really good. Revolution Donuts, Hot Atlanta. Great first stop. We just finished our second stop, Herban Vegan Kitchen, and it was awesome. It's got an Asian flair to it. We had some really good things.
The whole menu looked delicious, and we could have easily ordered half a dozen to a dozen things off of it, but you know, we've got a lot of places we're going today. We can't get full now.
Yeah, so instead of opting for like an appetizer and an entree, we did a couple of appetizers. So we got steamed buns, which were awesome. We got, what else did we get?
We got the soy chicken and portobello kebabs, which were really good. And we also got the pea and curry ravioli, which was more kale-like than it was with peas, but it was still pretty good.
Yeah, super earthy inside. We're getting pretty full. So we still have a couple more stops. We're gonna open our bellies, we're gonna shovel some more food. We're off to Cafe Sunflower. They have buffalo wings.
Buffalo wings. There's some heat in there, but the chicken texture is incredible. It's not real chewy and meaty, it's just, I don't know, really good. It's spicy.
The barbecue seitan sandwich, which is huge. I don't know how I'm gonna put my whole mouth on this thing. Yeah, bud.
Stop number 3, and it's starting to stack up real quick. The buffalo lollipops were incredible.
So good.
They had a nice quick punch of heat, and then they smoothed out in the back end, and that blue cheese dressing was awesome.
I'd say they're similar to like Doomy's wings.
Yeah, in style and texture.
The barbecue seitan sandwich was okay. Nothing overly exciting. It was pretty juicy though, so at least it wasn't dry.
Yeah, and the sriracha aioli was packed full of flavor.
Yeah.
So, there was a whole lot of other things we would have tried on the menu, but we've got to save a lot of room because there's a lot more food coming.
We are off to our next stop, Dulce Vegan Cafe, Bakery Cafe. Dulce Vegan?
Dulce Vegan?
I think that's what it's called. Here we go, let's go. Next stop, number 4. 4?
Yeah, 4. Fantastic sandwich. I got the bacon, egg, and cheese. I originally wanted it on a biscuit, but they were out of those, so I got it on an English muffin, and I thought it was great.
I just didn't like mine. It tasted good at first, but then I realized it had zero flavor to it, and the sausage was just dry. But it's my own fault, because I didn't just I ordered something weird. I don't know what I ordered. It's my own fault. Aaron's was good though. I took a bite of his.
It's probably a good thing this isn't readily available, because as cheap as it was, I probably would just skip making lunch or breakfast every morning and just come get a sandwich.
Rough. To another place. We're gonna go get tacos.
It's taco time.
Taco time! Done eating at Bartaco, and they were really good. We got cauliflower tacos that were bomb.
We also got a falafel taco, which once it was veganized was literally a falafel ball.
It was just, here's falafel on it.
So we probably would skip that one next time, but holy cow, the salsa roja, so good. I do not care for salsa, so you know when I demolish full of it, it's delicious. All right, I think we got one more stop to go. I don't know how we're gonna cram dessert in, but we have to finish off with dessert, so let's go.
We're off to Cinnaholic. So our last stop is Cinnaholic, which is not specific to Atlanta. It's a chain restaurant, but we've never been before, and I found a Groupon for free food, so that's why we're here.
Let's wrap this up. Let's get a little dessert in there. It smells so good in here. I'm gonna order it all.
No idea it was all vegan. I thought it was like maybe a couple of options. I had no idea.
We just almost went out of crazy.
So we got some cookie dough that we're gonna eat just straight out of the tub. We got a brownie. We got a peanut butter cup. Ooh.
Yeah.
Damn. And we got an OG classic.
That is so good.
What just happened?
I've had some cinnamon rolls before, but nothing even remotely close to these.
I don't even like cinnamon rolls, and these were like the best things I've ever put in my mouth, I think. So we ordered 2 and some cookie dough and a brownie, and then we started eating and we were like, oh no. And so we went back. We bought another Groupon, bought 2 more to take home. So we're gonna be eating cinnamon rolls for dinner. If we can
with some
even
chips and salsa.
Yeah, with chips and salsa from Bartaco. It's gonna be a really healthy meal.
We're gonna feel awful tomorrow, but I tell you what, Atlanta, you've got some good food out here.
Man, that was good. And that's it. I think that was a great way to close this out.
Yeah.
We're glad Atlanta has some really great vegan options. It's raining. We just did a bunch of deciding of what our favorite thing was, and we really should have filmed that because it was kind of funny. We really couldn't decide because everything was really, really good overall.
Yeah, we had quite a few dishes that were jockeying for position, but without further ado, we have to say hands down, the best thing we had today were the cinnamon rolls at Cinnaholic. Number 2 has to be the buffalo lollipops from Cafe Sunflower. Number 3 would be the soy chicken and shiitake kebabs that we had at Herban Fix. Number 4, we have to say the experience at Bartaco. Number 5, what we started the day out with, Revolution Donuts. Finally, the breakfast sandwiches at Dulce Vegan. But yeah, Atlanta has a bevy of vegan options out there that are sure to please anyone. So if you're coming through the city, there's so much to eat here, and we definitely recommend you check it out.
So we just got home and we're pulling out all of our leftovers, which is a lot of cinnamon rolls. So that's it for this video.
If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. And if you like what we're doing, hit that like button. And make sure you tick that bell so that you get notifications every time we release a new video.
And leave us some comments because your engagement helps our YouTube channel. We will see you next week. Or no, we won't. We'll see you sooner than that.
Yeah. We'll see ya.
We'll see ya. We're gonna see ya.
See ya.
We'll see ya soon.